Now, not all bonds are the same when it comes to how electrons are shared. In non-polar covalent bonds, the atoms share electrons equally, but in polar covalent bonds, the electrons are pulled more towards one atom than the other. In H2, the two hydrogen atoms share electrons equally, making it non-polar covalent bonds. While in H2O, the electrons are shared but not equally. Oxygen is more electronegative than hydrogen, meaning it pulls the electrons closer to itself. This creates a polar covalent bond where the oxygen end is slightly negative and the hydrogen ends are slightly positive. Now let's take a look at formation of covalent compounds. Covalent bonds are what holds together covalent compounds. These are compounds where atoms are bounded by sharing electrons and they can range from simple molecules to complex structures. For example, methane. Carbon shares one electron with each of four hydrogen atoms, forming a single covalent bond with each, creating methane. We also have carbon dioxide, CO2. Carbon shares two pairs of electrons with each oxygen atom, forming double bonds, resulting in a CO2 molecule. We also have ammonia, NH3. Nitrogen shares electrons with three hydrogen atoms, forming single covalent bond to give ammonia. Let's test your understanding. What type of bond would form between nitrogen and hydrogen in ammonia? Is it a single bond, a double bond, or triple bond? Now let's take a look at the importance of covalent bond in our everyday life. Covalent bonds aren't just important in chemistry, they are vital to life as we know it. The DNA that carries our genetic code is held together by covalent bonds, and so are the proteins that build our muscles. Even materials like plastics are made from long chains of covalently bonded atoms. For example, consider the plastic bottle you use every day. It is made of a long chain of carbon atoms that share electrons with other atoms like hydrogen, creating a strong and durable material. So let's summarize what we've learned today. I said covalent bonds involve sharing of electrons. I also mentioned that atoms form single, double, or triple bonds. Then we also explained that bonds can be polar or non-polar, where I mentioned that polar covalent bonds have unequal sharing, while non-polar bonds share equally. Thanks for joining me today on this journey into the world of covalent bonds. Remember, these tiny bonds hold the world together literally. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button for more exciting chemistry lessons. See you next time. Bye.